Experiment to check the nature of non-metallic oxides. Materials required: a beaker filled with water, wood to burn, blue litmus paper, something to hold the litmus paper, something to hold the wood, gas stove to burn the wood, and something to hold the burnt wood. Procedure: take the blue litmus paper, and dip it in the water. Light up the gas stove. Place the wood between a pair of tongs and then burn it using the gas stove. Then extinguish the fire. Immediately place the wet litmus paper on top of the gas emitted by the burnt wood. After some time, remove the litmus paper and observe it carefully. The carbon dioxide emitted by the burnt wood mixes with the water present inside the litmus paper, making an acidic solution. The litmus paper turns red due to the acid. This proves that non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature.